This is a Dell Optiplex 3010 small factor form PC. And this is me. And in today's video, I'm going to be case swapping my Dell Optiplex 3010 into a new case for more space and for better looks. Let's go. Now, a Dell Optiplex 3010 does not cost a lot of money. It's about $100 refurbished, and it runs pretty good with good Wi-Fi. It has a good CPU. All the specs are on the screen right now, and today we are going to be going on Newegg and ordering a PC case, and we're going to be swapping it out and building my first PC. Let's go. So I first started off by going on my PC and going on to Newegg. Now, Newegg is a very good website where you can order tons of stuff and it arrives about 2 to 3 days after, which is really good and really surprising. So we're going to be ordering our PC case off of here and we're going to wait for it to arrive. Let's go. All right, as you guys can see, we have it right here. We are ordering the Samma ARGB Q5 white USB 3.0 tempered glass micro ATX tower gaming computer case with 3 RGB fans pre-installed, as you can see right here. I am really excited and have wanted to do this for like ever, so yeah, let's just go and let's just order it. Secure checkout. Obviously I'm gonna have to cover the camera for this part. All right, we get it by February 14th. Okay, all we have to do is place the order. Look at that, February 14th. That's Valentine's Day. Isn't that a little surprise? Alright, all we have to do is place the order and go. Okay, it's loading. It's loading. My order is being processed. Guys, I've been saving up for so long, so I'm genuinely really excited for this to work and for it to go through and for it to arrive on Friday. And let's go. Thank you for the order. Obviously, my address is blocked out, but thank you for your order. A confirmation email will be sent. Let's go. I'm super excited, guys. Step 1 is here, so now I'm going to continue this recording on Friday. Okay, guys, it is finally here. The Samma ARGB Q5W is finally here. We are going to be opening this and we are going to start setting up the motherboard, as you guys can see right here, which we have fully prepared, micro ATX, fully prepared and ready. This is part 1 of building my first PC. Let's go. Alright guys, as you can see, we have the Samma ARGB Q5 case, and oh my gosh, this actually looks really good. You can see we have all the wires and stuff down here. We have the 2 pre-installed RGB fans at the front. We have the unscrewers for the glass right here, and I am super excited to build this PC. Let's go. Alright guys, so now that we got the glass open and we were able to take off all the screws, as you guys can see right here, now what we are going to be doing is trying to screw in the motherboard and pray that it fits. This is my first PC build, and again, shout out to Zombies Don't Miss and my buddy John, who basically gave me all the advice I need to build my first PC. Since obviously I don't have somebody to record me screwing it in, I'm just gonna put my hand over the camera, and then when the motherboard's in, I'd pause the video. So, okay, let's go. Alright guys, after seriously struggling and thinking that I bought the wrong case, we finally got the motherboard on, as you guys can see. This was not easy, but I am just really, really excited to see how this works. Let's go. And another thing, I just realized that now that I took the Dell Optiplex motherboard out, this can finally fit inside of the PC. So Dell said you need to have a low profile, but I just have a full profile GPU right here, and it works because I have so much more space now. Alright, so we're just gonna skip this part because I'm pretty much just yapping about how excited I am about this PC case, but let's get to the good stuff. Okay, now all we have to do is go and get my old power supply from the Dell Optiplex case into that case over there. Okay. So it looks like we need to get some type of knife to handle these. So I'm just gonna go get a knife, and then after I get all of them, I'm gonna come right back. Let's go. Power supply has been received. Everything is going great so far. We got the motherboard in. The fans are looking good. We got all the space down here. I am super excited for this. Let's go. Okay, so I just realized I'm gonna have to make a part 2 of this video because I just realized that the power supply cables are too short to be able to reach the motherboard. And without the motherboard, I cannot game, and without gaming, I can't really do anything. So, yeah, but here's the final product of the PC. I'm gonna turn the light off for you. And basically here it is. Only button that really works up here is the LED button right here. That's like the only thing that really works. If you like press it multiple times, you can just kind of see all the colors like, you know, switch. But yeah, I think this was a success. For me building my first PC, this really wasn't that bad. I will see you guys in part 2 when my eBay order power supply gets here. Peace out. Alright, so I just want to say thank you to everybody who took time out of their day to watch this. And I didn't even think it was possible for me to do this build, let alone this quick. But with God, anything is possible. Always remember that. This total build cost me around $150. So if you guys ever want to do this for yourself, hopefully this video helps. But there's more other videos great out there. Shout out to everybody. Have a good night. Peace out.